Hi, my name is Rina Munoz. I'm a big fan of Mark Munoz, UFC fighter. You can find us on markmunozmma.com.
How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Ricky Lagambe here, representing Fan TV, and it's such an honor to be right beside Rina Munoz, and the sister of Mark Munoz, the Filipino Wrecking Machine UFC fighter. We've been watching that guy, amazing wrestler, amazing MMA fighter. As a matter of fact, he's one of my heroes, and he does a lot of fundraisings like you do. Give back to the community because, you guys are so blessed. We're all so blessed. What's next for Mark?
We actually don't know what's next for Mark. He's actually in limbo right now. He's waiting for the UFC to, talk to him about a fight that's coming up. Everybody's either injured or they're scheduled to fight, so we're waiting.
Well, when Anderson Silva got injured and stuff like that, a lot of possibilities opened up, So Mark is always he's up there in the hierarchy. So what do you do?
Oh, I actually handle his international and ethnic PR. So my main purpose is to reach out to the Filipino community. Filipino American, one love, we all love each other. We're all trying to make sure we take care of each other, whether you're in the Philippines or whether you're here, Abu Dhabi, Hong Kong, wherever you're at. We want to make sure that we show as much love for you guys as you guys give to us. Because we all know we get a lot of love on social media and the internet. Like, we love Pinoys.
Absolutely. I mean, there's a big fine line between Filipinos and Filipino Americans. I mean, us here, Filipino Americans, we grew up here in America, but you know what? We are so proud to be Filipinos, and we represent no matter what. Yes, we grew up here, but we always give respect to the motherland of the Philippines, and we always give back to our motherland and our fellow Pinoys and Pinays. I know you do a lot of fundraising, and I believe we have one coming up in a couple of days. Can you tell us about that, please?
So we actually have a fundraising seminar for wrestlers and MMA fighters in the Bay Area. Mark comes home every now and then to the Bay Area, so every time he comes home, people need help in Tacloban, in the Visayas, so we want to make sure that we combine a lot of Mark's talents and abilities and his viewers to actually come together for something good. So we want to make sure that we can use his talent to actually teach people some MMA, some wrestling, but also fundraise. So that's one of the main purposes for our event this Saturday. It's to fundraise for the survivors from the Super Typhoon Yolanda. So that's what our purpose is. So in the morning from 9 to 11 we have an MMA seminar, and then in the afternoon beginning at 12 we have a free meet and greet, so you come. And then in the afternoon from 1 to 4 we have pure wrestling. So a lot of the high school kids, K through 12, Mark actually has a lot of experience in working with K through 12 students and training them how to
wrestling, MMA,
practitioners in wrestling, yeah.
Wow, thank you. It's such an honor for you to do that. Can you please tell the fans out there, I mean, this is going to go out tonight, can you tell them the address?
Yeah, so I believe it's 401 California Avenue on Treasure Island in San Francisco. We'll be there bright and early, 8 a.m. We're going to open the doors. Come sign up, register. We actually have a fundraiser shirt that we're also selling. It says Kaya Natin To on it, and it has the Philippine crest with our emblem on it. And then we also have some of our gear there, and then we also have a lot of other things that people could probably enjoy throughout the day.
There you go. This Saturday, January 11th.
Yes.
So just be there. We'll meet you guys there. We'll all be there. As a supporter of Mark Munoz, definitely Fan TV will be there. Once again, Rina Munoz. My name is Ricky Lagambe, and you're watching Fan TV. Thank you very much.
Thank you.